Hey guys, Jamie here, and I'm going to show you how to fix mistakes in your ZBrush sculpting. Let's say you're sculpting the front of something, and then you see that the back is affected. So you can see I sculpted the top of this here, and I didn't realize that this was happening. Somehow it pulled the geometry from the other side as I was sculpting, and that's an issue. So I'll turn this off first. So what we can do, there's a brush here called Trim Smooth Border, and it's basically, it'll detect whatever height that you have here, and you can use the Alt click and bring it up, and then match what you have there. You're gonna want to soften it as well, and then bring it up. I'll show you where to get the brush in a second. I'm just showing you why this doesn't work. So you do this, and then you see we screwed up our entire sculpt there, and that's because it's doing the same thing. When you're sculpting from this side, you're going to be grabbing the faces from the other side. So we'll go back here, and yeah, I'll show you where the brush is. So under Lightbox, brush, trim brush right here, and we have Trim Smooth Border here. So just grab that. What we want to do, so we want to have this thing called the back face mask. I have it here on my UI, but I can just show you where it is. Go to brush, and it's per brush. So if you switch to another brush or you use smooth, then you'll have to set it for the smooth as well. So we go to brush, and then we come down here. There's gonna be one called auto masking. Hit auto mask, and then right here, back face mask, and we hit that. And then when we do that thing that we were doing before, and I'm building this up, already it would screw up the other side, but we can see the other side's fine. It's not sampling from the other side. And if we hold shift for smooth, you want to as well go to the brush and then hit back face mask again. It's going to be off. I already have it on, so you're going to want to turn it off. And then we soften this, and then we can just get it really soft, and then just build that up again holding Alt. I'm just using a mouse right now. I'm not using the pen or anything. Bring it up here, just like that, filled in. I'm not using this side, but if you bake this or you bring it into another software, you might end up seeing the geometry here in this footprint look. I might just show up on the other end, and then you're gonna have to do a bunch of adjustments. So that's the quick and easy way to fix stuff like that. And yeah, I hope that helped you, and I'll see you on the next one.